You're watching our anniversary special of the Real Estate Show, where we're bringing you the top 5 realty trends that dominated the real estate market. It wasn't such a great year for the office space market. With a demand-supply mismatch, we saw office space rentals correcting. And the correction is not over yet. Going forward, we can expect even a better deal, that too on the best office addresses.
Connaught Place in Delhi, Nariman Point in Mumbai, and Park Street in Kolkata. Some of the country's most impressive office addresses, and also for long, the most expensive. Locations that have finally seen office rentals relent from their phenomenal highs.
The commercial office market has corrected quite a bit since, let's say, third quarter of last year. The correction's been steeper than what we had expected initially, but overall pretty much in line with where we thought the correction should be. And I think overall the office market is pretty much close to the bottom, although there's a small way to go.
From no space and big demand to sizable supply but few takers, the market dynamics seems to have changed radically.
The classic characteristic of a landlord-driven market is that the rents are rising. You know, there's a demand-supply mismatch where demand is leading the supply, which was the case in 04 to 06. Now let's fast forward to 2008, and we've seen the pendulum move away from landlords to the tenants. Now, tenants have multiple options.
In Delhi, the prime business hub of Connaught Place saw a dip of 15% in rentals since as recently as the last quarter. Gurgaon and Noida followed suit with a plunge of 30 and 50% respectively. That's some good news for office space seekers in the Delhi NCR. And if you're in Mumbai, here's what's on offer now. The most expensive office space in the city, Nariman Point, has its rentals finally slipped by 12.5%, while the business districts of Lower Parel and Bandra Kurla complex saw a dip of 12.5% and 14% respectively since the last quarter. Move on to the IT hub of Bangalore and you see that the city is offering better offices at rates cheaper than in a long time.
Bangalore's business hubs like MG Road, Koramangala, Whitefield and Outer Ring Road have seen a correction of 9 to 20% in just the last quarter. No wonder then that there's been a spurt in demand for prime office space in the city from all over.
What's more, experts say that close to 212 million square feet of office space will soon hit the markets across the country over the next 2 years.
Well, that's twice the size of Delhi's Connaught Place and Mumbai's Nariman Point put together. But what should that mean to you? Well, you can expect more options at lower rentals and more scope to negotiate. That's some reason to cheer if you've been scouting for office space this year.
Their office space deals just got sweeter, and if your official work keeps you out of town on long stretches, we had recommended serviced apartments for you. And with international players getting in and cashing in on the rising demand, the deal is just getting sweeter and business travelers will soon be spoiled for choice. Here's how we think the trend will pan.
A stay at these plush hotels is a treat for the senses. But once the stay extends from days to weeks to even months, you'll end up footing a 5-figure bill. But if you choose to switch over to a serviced apartment, you can end up pocketing quite a saving over an extended stay.
If you really stay longer, then a company can save a cost to almost 30%. But then it all depends on the market dynamics. How are the hotels selling? Where have you positioned your product into the market? So there is, of course, there are a lot of parameters that will govern, or that will take you to this answer.
A trend that took off with the IT boom, in cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad, serviced apartments are now finding takers all over. And cashing in on this growing demand are investors like Kalyan Gupta. Kalyan has been operating 6 serviced apartments in Hyderabad for the last 3 years. And with a steady flow of guests, business has been growing by the day.
Service apartment concept is also a mature concept in western part of the world, which is Europe and beyond. So we thought, why not we introduce that concept here, and it was taken very well by the corporates.
For Kalyan, investment in a service department has paid off handsomely. But what does a service department have in store for you? You can take your pick from a range of studio, 1 BHK and go all the way up to a 4-bedroom penthouse. Fully furnished, these apartments come packed with amenities such as a modular kitchen, gymnasium and internet connection to name a few. And with more domestic and global players now entering the market, this segment of realty is ready to go to the next level.
Now, with the entry of global management operators like Frasers, Ascot, Oakwood, Sharma, Marriott Executive Apartments, all these players who are now coming into India to operate in this segment of business will change the skyline of service departments forever.
These apartments may be at par with a 4-star hotel when it comes to per-day tariff. But if it is a longer stay, then only a service department will let you avail a discount of up to 25%. But at a time when most hotels are witnessing low occupancy, are these tariffs attractive enough to pull more guests?
The slowdown has impacted on the development side. It really hasn't impacted from the demand side per se, because service departments, unlike a hotel, they don't thrive on shorter stays.
And for this sector to boom, stakeholders are waiting for the market to open up and more funds to flow in. And once that happens, you'll be in for more comfortable service departments at even better prices.
A pocket-friendly and a comfortable alternative to an expensive hotel accommodation. We really hope that you're enjoying our anniversary special, and of course you can log on to our website if you missed our stories on utvI.com. So what's bringing shoppers back to the malls? We'll let you in on the winning formula after a short break.